Hey everyone, welcome back to autocodes.co. Today, we're diving into the world of car sensors, specifically the crankshaft sensor. Ever wondered what it does and how it works? Stick around to find out. So, what exactly is a crankshaft sensor? In simple terms, it's a crucial component that monitors the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft. This information is vital for the engine control unit, ECU, to manage ignition timing and fuel injection. Now let's talk about how it works. The crankshaft sensor operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It consists of a permanent magnet surrounded by a wire coil. As the crankshaft rotates, a toothed wheel or tone ring with evenly spaced teeth passes by the sensor. There are mainly two types of crankshaft sensors, magnetic and Hall effect. Magnetic sensors generate an AC voltage signal, while Hall effect sensors produce a digital square wave signal. Modern cars typically use Hall effect sensors for better accuracy. Why is the crankshaft sensor so important? Without it, the ECU wouldn't know the exact position of the crankshaft, leading to poor engine performance or even failure to start. It's essential for precise ignition timing and efficient fuel injection. What happens if the crankshaft sensor fails? Common symptoms include engine stalling, difficulty starting, and erratic RPM readings. If you experience any of these issues, it's a good idea to check the crankshaft sensor.